This video will show you how to use OneDrive to share video assignments to Blackboard. The process is to go to your OneDrive, add a folder and your video file, share the location of the file by copying its link, and paste your copied link into a Blackboard assignment. The first thing we'll want to do is to log into the Rowan College portal as we normally would. Now each person's portal looks a little bit different, but you're looking for the My Applications area in the portal and to the link for OneDrive. When we click on the link, it will show the contents of what is in your OneDrive. In my OneDrive, I have quite a few folders and many files here. I keep them available there so that I can access them at any time from any machine in the cloud. You'll want to create a new folder to put your assignments in under New. I've done that already for us. So I've created a folder called Video Assignments for NUR. When I go into that, we'll see that there is actually one there already, the midterm paper assignment. To add files to a folder, you can use the upload button here and upload files or folders, but it's probably much easier if you have the file available on your desktop that you, as I do right here, that you simply click on it and drag it and it will automatically upload. As we can see here, it will automatically upload into your OneDrive. Now remember that video files can be large. They may take a short time to get up there. This one is kind of small, so it's not really that big of a deal. If we're ready to share, we can go to the share link that appears right here. However, the same thing will happen if we come back a little bit later. We'll go to this assignment here, which is a video, go to the More menu, which is the three dots here, and we'll literally go to share. Because what we want to do is we want to copy the URL of this and paste it into our Blackboard. Now we're not ready to copy just yet. You have to decide who is going to actually have access to this once you share it. So I'll click on that, and it's usually recommended that anyone with the link would be able to open the file. So I'll click on that and then click Apply. At this point we are ready to copy the link, and there it is. And then we're going to go over to our Blackboard site. Now here I'm sure you'll recognize a regular Blackboard course shell. The assignment that I want to paste this link into is under the Assignments area in this particular course. And it is right here, Submit the Assignment 12 Echo Video link. So as a student, click on this. You have information about the assignment there, and for assignment submission, you want to go to Text Submission. And I'm going to click on that, and I will get a box that I can then paste my link into. Now, really important, make sure that you hit the Enter key or Return key after pasting. You'll notice what happens. It will turn it into a link. And at that point, you can then submit your assignment. You get your confirmation as always. And if you want to click on it, I'm going to click on this, and this will link directly to the file that is in my OneDrive, which happens to be a video, and your instructor will be able to see it from there. It is actually linked to the file that is in your OneDrive.